Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to IMAP migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails is the best software for migrating Office 365 mailboxes to IMAP servers. It enables you to migrate emails, folders, etc. to Gmail, Zoho, Zimbra, iSwarp, cPanel, Rackspace, and more. EdbMails ensures a secure and seamless migration process while preserving the original folder structure and maintaining data integrity. EdbMails offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the Office 365 to IMAP migration process. With its intuitive, step-by-step guidance, users can quickly initiate and complete their migration without requiring advanced technical knowledge. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process for Office 365 to IMAP migration. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to IMAP Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Click Next to continue. Select the required option to connect to the target IMAP server. Click Next to continue. Click Download Sample CSV file. Select the location to save sample.csv file. Open the downloaded CSV file, add multiple mailbox details, and save it. Click Browse CSV file. Select the modified CSV file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 to IMAP migration, visit edbmails.com today.